curious passion. Rabbits are known for their insatiable reproductive habits for good reason. They breed 3 to 4 times each year. This is because only 15% of baby rabbits make it to their first birthday, according to the Animal Diversity Web. So, to ensure that the population grows, rabbits have more babies. Each pregnancy produces 3 to 8 babies, called kittens or kits. Bunny is just an affectionate name for a rabbit, young or adult, according to Small Pet Select. After 4 to 5 weeks, a kit can care for itself. In 2 to 3 months it is ready to start a family of its own. If there is a lack of natural predators, an area can quickly overrun with rabbits. Rabbits are very social creatures and live in large groups called colonies. The busiest time of day for rabbits at dusk and dawn. This is when they venture out to find food. The low light allows them to hide from predators. Predators, which includes owls, hawks, eagles, falcons, wild dogs, feral cats, and ground squirrels, are a constant treat. The rabbit's long legs and ability to run for long periods at high speeds are likely evolutionary adaptations to help them elude things that want to eat them. Rabbits belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Mammalia, order Lagomorph, and family Leporidae. Wild rabbits are an important part of the planet's ecosystem. This is because they help to keep invasive plants, weeds under control. In turn, this encourages other plants, insects, and birds to thrive. Also, pet rabbits are good for humans because they enhance our physical and mental health. Raising rabbits is one of the simplest things you can do on your homestead. Not only do they require little attention, but they also provide a great meat. Raising rabbits is simple and economical. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, like, share, and comments down below for more videos.